Want to become a front-end developer in 2026, but feel lost in a sea of tutorials? You've come to the right place. This is the complete, step-by-step roadmap, covering everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Before you can build for the web, you need to understand the web itself. This is the foundation. Now for the 3 pillars of front-end development. Every single website you see uses these. First, HTML. It gives our website structure. Next, CSS. It's the stylus that makes our websites look amazing. And finally, JavaScript. This is the magic that makes websites interactive and dynamic. Great! Now that you know the languages, let's get you set up with the essential tools of the trade. First, version control. This is like a time machine for your code. Next, packaged managers. They help you easily use code written by other developers and build tools which automate tasks and optimize your code. Let's level up your styling skills with modern CSS techniques. You have the fundamentals. Now it's time to learn a framework to build complex applications much faster. React is a very popular choice, but all of these are amazing. The most important thing is to pick one and learn it well. Okay, you're comfortable with the framework. Now it's time to explore the advanced concepts that separate the pros from the beginners. First, security. Protecting your users and your app is vital. Next, authentication, how you manage user login. Learn TypeScript. It adds types to JavaScript, helping you catch bugs early and write more robust code. Testing ensures your application works as expected. Web components let you create your own reusable HTML tags.
SSR frameworks render your site on the server, which is great for performance and SEO. Learn GraphQL, a modern way to fetch data for your applications. And static site generators, perfect for content-heavy sites like blogs and portfolios. You're almost there. Let's talk about making your apps fast and then taking your skills beyond the web. A fast website is a good website. Let's learn to measure and improve performance. Modern browsers have powerful APIs you can tap into. And guess what? Your web skills can be used to build mobile and desktop apps. Congratulations, you've mastered the front-end roadmap. From here, you can continue to deepen your skills.